Continuing on with these word problems, in our first example, we have an insurance salesman. They're getting 2% of every policy they sell. How much does she make on a $100,000 policy? So we're going to take the amount of the policy, 100,000. We're going to multiply it by the percent they're getting as a decimal. This is tricky because a lot of students, when they see this, they multiply by 0.2 because they figured 2% is 0.2. 0.2 would actually be 20%. When I see this 2%, I need to move the decimal 2 places to change it to a decimal, 1, 2, and I need to remember a 0 goes in front. If that's confusing, you can always just divide a number by 100 in order to get it from a percent to a decimal. Really, percent is from the French, per 100. So as long as you remember to divide by 100, you won't get confused on that place value. But in this case, I want to make sure I'm multiplying by 0.02, not 0.2. When I put into my calculator 1 with 5 zeros times 0.02, I get a final answer of $2,000. In problem 2, a concert ticket is on sale for 35% off the original price. If it used to cost $100, what does it cost now? So we're going to start by finding the amount of the discount. If we take 100 times 0.35, we're going to get 35 as the amount of the discount. But it didn't ask me how much it was discounted. They asked what the new price is. So if it used to cost $100 and we're taking $35 off that price, the new price is $65 for the tip. In problem 3, the bill at the restaurant is $40. We're going to tip 10%, so we're going to take the amount of the bill, 40, times the percent as a decimal, 0.10, and that's going to tell me that our tip is going to be $4. In problem number 4, a student earns $1,500 a month at their part-time job, so that's the positive money that they have coming in. From that, they have to pay $450 for rent and $350 for food. If I take $1,500 and I subtract $450 and subtract $350, really it's like subtracting $800 combined. So $1,500 minus $800 leaves me with $700 left over for entertainment. Finally, an online fashion company has revenues of $3,000 per month. If their operating costs are $2,000 a month and they owe $700 a month on a business loan, how much profit do they make a month? Well, they start with the revenues, or the money that they bring in, which is $3,000. From that, they're going to subtract their operating cost of $2,000, and they're going to subtract the $700 that they owe a month on the business loan. $3,000 minus $2,000 leaves me with $1,000. When I subtract another $700, it leaves me with $300 at the end. That's the profit that the business is going to make per month.